Hi and welcome to Braids by Evie. In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this boho bob braids. That's going on literally all social media platforms, and it's basically the #1 trending hairstyle currently in the world, I'd say. So for this style, I used pre-stretched braiding hair, and since it is bob, I cut the braiding hair into two. Then I basically feathered the ends to make it more manageable, and also to make the curls look more neater and thinner. You don't want the ends to be too bulk, because then it wouldn't match the human hair curls. Just to let you know as well, I did use human hair curls and synthetic braiding hair, so it was a blend of those two to achieve this style. I started off by blowing my client's hair because she came with her hair washed already, so I just blow dried it and then I go into braiding. Throughout this video, I'll be giving you some tips, so some do's and don'ts when it comes to this hairstyle, so stay tuned to the very end of the video. I used the curly braiding hair for this style, but you can use any pre-stretched hair that you've got, and that should work. If you are a hairstylist, or if you're doing this hairstyle thinking you are going to do this in an hour, that's not going to happen. That's the misconception I had when I started. I thought, oh, it's bob, like it's not going to take that long. Guys, when I tell you that this took 8 hours plus, like, okay, not 8 hours plus, I'll say 8 hours to complete this style, it was legit one of the biggest shock of my life. But I think the reason for that is because you're adding like curly pieces to it, which also takes time, and human hair is so stubborn, it's not trying to stay in one place, so you keep like, oh god, it takes long. So one thing I will say is, what I should have done is I should have pinned the human hair when I attached it. Do you know what I mean? Like, just pin it to the side so it doesn't keep falling. Before you start this hair, ask your client how full they want the hair to be. So the fuller they want it, the more curly pieces you need to add, which is more time and more products, more extensions. So you would have to charge based on that, and this needs to be discussed before the appointment. Don't discuss this after they've booked the appointment and they've arrived and now you want to be adding extra. With this style, discuss with your client how full do you want it. Do you want more human hair curly pieces, and base your price on that. I had this discussion with my client before, so it was all good. She sent a picture of what she wanted, and I'd done exactly what she wanted, basically. So depending on how full you want it, I added about 2 pieces of the human hair, 2 to 3 pieces of the human hair per strand. So depending on how full you want it, if you want it fuller than this, you're gonna have to add about 6 pieces down the strand to make it more fuller. If you can't do knotless braids, I will strongly advise you to watch some tutorials on how to do knotless braids before you do this style. Or you can also do traditional braids and just attach the curl pieces to it. It depends on your preference. The client wanted a knotless braid, so I done that for her. And I am also going to give you a close-up on how I done it. So if you want a tutorial, there is for you. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button. I'm on a journey to 1k, so help a sister out and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you want more videos like this, or if you enjoy watching the videos and me putting the tips and just the whole editing process. Give me some comments so I will know that you're actually enjoying it, and I can do more of this for you guys. But the rest of the video is really like self-explanatory, so I'm gonna leave you to it, and then I'll let you guys watch and learn. Again, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments down below, and I always answer to my comments. So thank you for watching, and again, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.